Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear 11th class students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are just in our class, education class. The topic for today is wastage and stagnation. This is out of that unit, universalization of education. Now, what wastage and stagnation mean? Wastage means the dropping out of the students before completing their primary classes, and the stagnation means retention of a student for a period of 1 month. That's called for a period of 1 year, to keeping the student in the same class for a period of 1 year. This is called wastage and stagnation. You see, the HETOG committee, it was introduced now. It was this HETOG committee was given by that English British rule when it was when Britishers were ruling our country, India, and they gave a committee about this wastage and stagnation. It was Sir Philip this HETOG, 1929, and he has given this this idea what the wastage and stagnation mean. So he too has given the same idea, that the wastage and stagnation, and how to overcome this problem. Basically, first to know what are the causes of this stagnation. Why the students are not able to attend the classes, and there are certain causes, and how to control it so that our students can easily go to school, especially the primary students, so that they will continue their studies. The causes which were responsible for this wastage and stagnation are: number one is illiterate parents. Because the illiterate parents does not know the value of education, because only a wearer knows where the shoe pinches. That means only such a person is knowing the value of anything who know the depth of that thing. So until and unless our parents are not literate and qualified, we are not able to produce a good quality of this enrollment in our primary classes. Poverty, another factor. कहते हैं ना, merry go round and poverty go round. एक vicious circle होता है. This is called a vicious circle. A person is poor, how can he provide a best education to his son or daughter? And the another part was death of parents. This is one of the very crucial for a family whose parent, a person who is the only bread earner of the family. When he passes away, so the family gets scattered. They can't get a proper attention, and that's why children of such a family where the parent is no more, this also causes the stagnation. Is also causes a withdrawal of the student, of a child from school. Lack of basic facilities. Before even before 1986, when this national policy of education was introduced, and say when this in 2000 when this SSA was into Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and the money comes from the government sector for these primary schools and middle schools. for this elementary education and secondary education. Before that, the condition of the institutions were very bad. Most of the schools were on the rented buildings. Totally, there was no any kind of proper infrastructure. So this was another cause for the school, for this the stagnation. And one more thing, that is continuous illness. कहते हैं ना, when the कशिर पॉइंट्स बना जू और जहान, जब आप कोई बीमार रहता है, continuous illness, that too stops a child from studies, from enrolling himself. And another cause is irregular attendance, when there is no proper care of parents or the teacher, when he is not being asked how and why he is remaining outside the institution. Because when he is outside the institution, obviously he will be the stagnant, because he will fail his examination. So these were the causes. And how can we control this? How can we control this wastage and stagnation? Is that the first one is free education. This committee was given in 1929. Now, at this stage, we have this kind of problem in our institutions, especially in primary institutions, because we have everything free. We have free books, we have free uniform, we have MDM, midday meals, even scholarship is being given to the students at this stage. Not a meager one, but a handsome money is given to the students. At this stage, some 4,000 to 5,000, 3,000, even girl childs are being paid much and more. Another one is educated parents. Education is, already talked to you about this. Education is the basic tool. This is the basic tool for development, and this is the basic tool also for a family development. When our family is educated, our family is developed. So that is why if our parents are illiterate, they don't know the real value of the education. Yes. Another one is financial assistance. If we will give a financial assistance to the parents, if a parent is poor, he is not in a position to send his son to the school. He is sending him to somewhere else for he is selling up daily papers, or sending him somewhere in the workshop, or to work there. If he is given good assistance, then he can send his son or daughter to the institution. And one more is reducing school distance. Now it is totally in our now after this 2000 SSC has launched, we have only 1 kilometer distance. But unfortunately, circumstances are not favorable, especially to our this state, Kashmir. The impact is the very bad impact of this. Whatsoever is happening, the impact is on the student, especially the lower class students, because they don't know the value. If they are being sent free, they enjoy. So this is very unfortunate thing for this coming generation. They are not getting a proper education. So this is another improving school environment. Now the school environment has somehow improved, but it was not so good at that time when this headache committee was launched at that time. Now the playway techniques. Now what is being said? How to overcome this problem? It is only that we should have a good atmosphere and a good educated, highly qualified teachers, and the qualification is not only the better, but the dedication is there. When we have a dedicated teachers, this kind of stagnation and wastage is not possible. And nowadays, one more what I can say, this जिसे हम कहते हैं कि एक किस्म का वो सिलसिला अब हुआ है कि जिसे हम जो एग्जाम पैटर्न ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन है, इट वाज वंस only 2 exams were there. Now this has changed. Now we have CCE. comprehensive, continuous comprehensive evaluation. Now our units are there, so this failure, this dropout is not now possible for in our institutions. Now this is now good steps are being taken to control the wastage and stagnation. So inshallah this was for today. Tomorrow inshallah we will take another class. Khuda Hafiz.